Yeah. Oh fuck. Don't tell me you did that. April Fools! No? That was a terrible one? No. No, that was a really bad one? Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm really tired. Okay. I didn't want to do that. That would have been bad.
And what do you have here?
Fenders and headlights. Just
amazing. Yeah.
That's what we needed.
Yep. Just coming to grab stuff that we need. Anyone needs immaculate floor pans for the AE, hit me up because this guy's about to scrap all of this. And if you need it, let me know. We're in New Jersey and we got some metal fenders. Now, if you don't know, these guys are worth quite a bit, especially brand new. So the fact that we got full metal ones that are straight is amazing.
They're not perfect.
They're not perfect, but that's...
We might do a chop.
Yeah.
So
that would look cool. Right, so now the car is here at the garage and we can start tearing it apart or trying to find out what's wrong with it. Over here we got, this is a basic like maintenance kit that you can get on eBay and all that. Comes with all your basic, you know, oil filter, spark plugs, ignition stuff, wires, rotor cap for distributor. And yeah, we're gonna try see if we can start it today. But yeah.
We might get it done. Definitely gonna mount the new fenders that we bought and the new headlights. Yeah, so it's gonna have a front end again. We have to pick up the hood from where we bought it from. We just couldn't bring it on the day.
So we're just gonna take the door off for ease of access. This doesn't actually properly close at all. And when it did, it's like completely jammed shut and we had to like force it out. So might as well get it off. It's either that the hinges are loose, really loose and bad, or that it's just not lined up correctly. So we're not going to bother with that now and having the door open and close, open and close. We're just going to take it off.
All right, it's off.
Okay. I'm gonna check if the engine is tied. Basically, we're gonna put it on top dead center, make sure all the pulleys and everything is lined up. Well, spins freely. Oh, that's worrying. Wait, no. Stop here. Stop here. I don't know why they painted that.
They painted the wrong one.
Who knows?
Woodpecker.
Is that really?
I think so.
Amazing.
It's a pecky boy.
Give it some power. All right, she has power. Do you have any indication of electricity?
The door light's on.
Good. So, kind of forgot the key.
Yeah.
Yep.
I did a dumb. So I left the key at my house.
You can't exactly crank it over just to see if the starter works, or to see if the fuel pump works, or to see if the ignition works, or to see if the...
Anything works.
Yeah, so we're just gonna...
We were told we could start it with a screwdriver. Wasn't correct. It needs an actual key. So yeah. I'm gonna make copies of it so we can keep one here and I can keep one at my house. Just in case I forget again. Really gross, but...
Something.
But they're straight, so that's good.
Yeah.
Looks a lot more like a car now. Nice.
It's like a... Right now it's got a Hot Rodders patina on it.
Yeah.
So, it's kind of cool.
It's just a piece of junk.
Getting headlight on. Yeah, just actually, what will help if we bring him all the way down.
Sleepy boy.
As far down as it goes. So it needs to do a bend. We got one of the headlights on, and we're going to put this one on until we realize they're both the same. They're both driver's side headlights.
Yeah. Womp womp.
Yep.
We'll figure it out. Fenders look great though. Looks like a car. Finally. Ignore that. There's a door there.
We're not sure if we can even extract that. We need a hoist or something, but right now we're just cleaning up. We're gonna try. Guys, fold that seat down and see if we can kind of shimmy the motor up to this point here where we can go from there. So I don't think we know the extent of what we got in this car, but so we have this motor. We have this motor here too. We pulled from the front seat and rear a full block, a full head,
And then wrapped up in this tarp, another head with valve covers. And we got an Optima too with this car, which is awesome. So it just gets better. Keep finding more goodies. I don't know what this is, but it's something else wrapped up, and it's in a plastic bag. So
it's a coilover. No, it's
No.
not. Oh, it's a crank.
crank.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Found some 4 links with some bushings in them.
Yeah.
Polyurethane bushings in them.
Nice.
Which is great.
Saves us money
Yeah.
and time for ordering stuff. That's awesome. I like that a lot.
Oh, here's your mirror.
Nice.
All right. Do you want to be my guest?
Let's see.
All right. You got the light. Or the light. Fuse of some sort. Oh, that's the camera angle sensor or TPS.
You got some pennies. Making money back already. Got the door lock. There we go.
Oh, there we go. It's in
I
here.
was wondering where that was.
More random fuses. Oh, that's what's important.
Some broken trim.
Okay.
This and that alone was worth money, and that
It's good
Nice.
that things that are missing are coming
in the
back.
car.
Yeah.
Like all this trim that they kept was amazing, and they took out the carpet for us already, which I was gonna do anyway. This and all.
You should be able to. Like, yeah. There you go. There you go.
It's really not that heavy. It's
There you go.
amazing.
Alrighties.
You got it?
Yeah. Swing on its own. As long as we can move it here, then we can yank the boy out later.
Yeah.
Or, no. I want to save my back. I've had enough of lifting motors. 3, 2, 1. Holy shit. I'm just gonna keep this here till we can get a hoist, but you sleep, stay. Enjoy the hatch.
Right now we're testing to see if this hatch is just surface rust or if it's actually really rusted through, and from just hitting it with a Dremel, it looks like it's just surface rust.
You know, if it's not poking through, this hatch is salvageable. Like, it's just surface rust. Like, if you look here, shiny bits. It's solid. We can restore this.
We can definitely restore this.
It's not
The rest of it's solid, and the struts are solid too, which is awesome. This is the worst part though. Someone put their own wing on it, I think, at some point.
Yeah, we can plug
But we'll plug this. This is actually gonna get covered by a ducktail, so
Yeah.
we don't even have to really worry about it anyway. We'll just plug it and
Cool.
yeah. Taking out the back seats because they're gross and I don't want them. But we can clean them up and sell them, which is cool. Because they're in pretty good shape. And gonna get rid of these stock seats too because we bought some Ricardos. Now with this seat belt trim so that I can get this off to get the rear seat bracket out, because I would like to keep all of it together so when we sell the rear seats, they can have everything with the seat belts and everything together. So, because it's all together, it's all here. So, yeah.
There we go.
There we go. Nice. Great thing to have in your garage. You never know when you're going to need these. Oh boy, looks like we had a rodent in here at some point. Vacuum it out.
I love the big block of
Yeah. It's a big block of fuzzy nope. Fuzzy nope. Can I get it in there? More like that. Alright, not that bad. Just a lot of poop.
So yeah, the interior is stripped. We gotta assess everything. Mainly we're just cleaning it out, so.
We're out of time for today. We gotta go celebrate Paolo's birthday.
Look at this mess all over here.
This all has to go back in the car now so we can leave.
Yep.
We don't have time to sort through it and put it anywhere else right now, but
Alright.
it's fine.
Bye guys, see you next time.